Do you like my headband? This is from Greece. I am Maral and here is my jewelry land, and every time I show you specifically some of my jewelry collection that I have in my gallery. And today I want to show you specifically some rings with the symbol of olive leaves. This is a hoop earring with in 925 silver, and as you see the sign of olive leaves that make it very unique, and I'm going to try it. You see how it looks on my ear. This is the earring with the olive leaves, and now I'm going to show you the rings. You see the branch and then the olive leaves on it. This is very artistic design, and the silver is oxidized. That's why the color is like this. This is one of my favorite one in my Greek collection. Now I show you these three different design with the olives, that the leaves are in gold plated color, and then the whole ring is in silver. This is the simple one. Okay, and then we have this one which is adjustable with two side leaves, so you can adjust on your finger size. And this one is also adjustable, but this one is 3 round. So beautiful. And then we have these two. This one is gold plated silver and also adjustable. You can adjust on your finger size. And this one, the design of the leaves are a bit different and it's a bit thicker, as you see. How did you like these beautiful olive leaves silver rings from Athens, Greece? Comment below your favorite one, and don't forget to follow me also on Instagram, because I am posting every day something new for you. Till next time, so much love is always here. I will come back with another collection. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, because it worth a lot to me, and I will appreciate all of your feedbacks and what you want actually for me to show more. If it's ring, if it's earring, necklaces, whatever, comment for me.